Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning our unit number 9 and its title is Son of Motherland. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 6 under the title of Reading and Comprehension. We will cover page number 67 and 68. Before in English for grade 5 already we have learned about, my dear students, pre-reading strategies to predict the context of a text from topic and picture. Already we know that how we can predict topics through pictures. So today we are going to learn further about it. Our today's students' learning outcome is use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the text from topic, pictures, title, headings, etc. by using prior knowledge. So today we are going to learn more about it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, my dear students, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 154, and do not say about those who are killed in the way of Allah, they are dead, rather they are alive, but you perceive it not. Subhanallah, my dear students, as we know that everyone have to return to Almighty Allah in the shape of death. But this beautiful verse is telling us about those who got martyrdom in the way of Allah. So Allah Almighty is addressing to us that no need to say them that they are dead, they are alive in heavens and forever they are alive. Subhanallah, this is a high place, high status for those people who got martyrdom in the way of Almighty Allah. Okay, my dear students, so today we are going to get about this lecture. Here is pre-reading strategies for you, so be quick to do that. Say to students to look at the pictures on page number 67 of your book. Say them to predict the text through pictures. So my dear teacher, you say to your students that they should open their English book, page number 67, and try to judge that what they get through these pictures. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have got it that about what we are going to learn today. Open your book, page number 67. We are going to start unit number 9, Son of Motherland. Okay, Dharti Maa Ka Beta. We are going to do that. So, have you opened, my dear students? Good job. On page number 68, there is our first paragraph. Major Aziz Bhatti was born in 1928 in Hong Kong. He moved to Pakistan before independence in 1947 and was living in the village of Ladia, Gujarat. He joined the newly formed Pakistani army and was placed in the Punjab regiment in 1950. So, my dear students, first of all that we are going to get about that personality that we are going to learn, and we are going to read about his life history. Major Aziz Bhatti was born in 1928 and in Hong Kong. Before independence, they came to Pakistan and also he joined Pakistani newly army and was placed in Pakistan regiment in 1950. Okay, this is the starting that how Major Aziz Bhatti came in Pakistan and how he joined Pakistani army. Okay. Here is a question for you. Where and when was Major Aziz Bhatti born? Yes. Now try to predict the answer from the paragraph. Good job. Yes, he was born in 1928. Good. Very good. Next one is there. When did Major Aziz Bhatti move to Pakistan? When did he move to Pakistan? Yes, before independence. Good. Here is another question for you. When did Major Aziz Bhatti join the Pakistan army? Excellent job. Very good. Yes, he joined the newly formed Pakistani army in 1950. Good job. Let's see in next. He was a brilliant officer throughout his career and stood out from his class. He did very well at the academy and was awarded the Sword of Honor and the Norman Medal. He received his honors from Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So now that we are going to get about his personality, how he was and how he has great qualities in his personality. He was a brilliant officer and he always stood first in his class. He did very well and he got 2 awards, the Sword of Honor and also Norman Medal. Then who present these awards to Major Aziz Bhatti? Yes, the first Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. Okay, he received these 2 awards from the first Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. Okay, have you got? Okay, next. Aziz Bhatti was posted in the Burki and area of the Lahore sector on 6 September 1965. The company commander Major Bhatti chose to stay with his forward platoon. He faced continuous gun and tank attacks for 5 days and nights. So yes, as you know that on 6 September 1965 there was a war between enemy and our country. So he was posted in the Burki area and Lahore sector. Okay, and also he had faced a lot of like gun attacks and tank attacks for 5 days and nights constantly without any break, my dear students. Okay, he fought bravely. There is continuous mean endless. There is a word continuous, it means endless. Okay, without break. Okay. Next, there is a question for you. Where was Major Aziz Bhatti posted on 6 September 1965? Good. Yes, he was posted in the Burki and area of the Lahore sector. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have getting and you got that what we are reading today. Good. Excellent job. So now we are moving toward an activity. So be ready. Yes, my dear teacher, get students into pairs, provide them few pictures of famous personalities. Say them to predict the content and theme through these pictures. My dear teacher, you can give different pictures, you can show them pictures from their textbook also that easily can be available from English book or Urdu book. So you can show them in the shape of flashcards as you feel easy. Okay, show them a picture and say them to predict the story about it and then share with your class. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope now you have ability to judge the context of the text through pictures and your picture prediction is being strong. Good job. So what you have to do in your individual classwork, page number 69, in question number 1, you have answered these questions A, B, C and D that already we have discussed during lecture. So now that you have to write in your notebook under your teacher's supervision. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. Now I hope that you have done and you have learned nicely. Good job. So what's your homework for today? You have to read out the rest of the text and write a short paragraph about Major Aziz Bhatti in your notebooks. So rest of the text, because half chapter we have completed in our this lecture, my dear students, and next rest of the text you will read and then you will write a short paragraph, okay, about Raja Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. So this is our worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students how they can get different knowledge about the picture prediction and how they can do according to the comprehension skills. Okay. So what we have learned today we learned about picture prediction to guess the context of the lesson, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. And today's we have completed our this lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.